Space melody on the beat.
techfeedz.
Alright people, got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way.
Alright people, we're about to unbox the Spigen for the Galaxy S9 Plus. Okay, it's pretty rugged, you know, can have a little reader. I'll leave all the description on screen for you to have the pleasure to read it. Okay, other than that, this is pretty dope. I hope you're gonna love it. If it's your first time out here, sub to the channel, like the video, share the video if it's any useful to you. Make sure to turn on your notification. We love you all out here and we love your support. So without further ado, let's get down to business. Let's do it people. Spigen on deck, military grade as usual. We're gonna put these things to the test. All right, it's not the first time that we have done this out here. Quickly, so you just till the top right here. Pump. Gonna get it out. Okay, that's for your S9. The phone is right there. So I'm not gonna be doing the usual thing, showing you the screen and all this thing. I'm just gonna show you what a protective case looks like on the phone, and I'm not gonna do any drop test or anything like that. Just a quick one. Okay, so this is what it is. Take that out. Okay, still rugged. Listen, with this, you are not gonna drop your phone from a high off. Okay, it's not a heavy duty case. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so make sure to understand that when you putting this on, it's not a heavy duty on. But other than that, the cats are pretty deep. It's gonna protect your cameras. Your fingerprint sensor is also there, which is pretty dope. All right, it's pretty deep, as I already said. The flash is also covered. Okay, so if you put your phone down like this, back facing, should be all right. Wouldn't touch the surface on which is on. The usual cats. I'm off camera again. The usual cats. All right, the usual cats are there. That's the speaker, microphone, USB charging port, and your 3mm jack, 3.5mm jacks. So let's go around. We have a button. Okay, we have a button, on and off button. It's working. The Bixby button. Let's try the Bixby button. Bixby. Okay, that's the Bixby button. Let's go right about here to the volume rockers. Volume rockers functions. Volume rockers. All right, everything is pretty solid. You know what you're dealing with. This is, as already said, this is the Spigen. Okay, my screen is a little bit dirty, but never mind that. We got a little bit of a razor visibility here, so it's a little bit raised. Okay, not a lot to my liking. I will allow it to be more. You can see that the screen is right here, so a little nail deep in there. Okay, let me put that down straight to the table, and you should be able to see if this thing is raised enough. You should be able to push this beneath without any problem. Yes, it is indeed. Have a look. All right, so this is pretty dope. Okay, you know, when you put your phone face down onto your table or any surface, the screen will be protected. Other than that, ladies and gents, boys and girls, this is the Spigen. Okay, this is the Spigen, military grade, you know, cushion. Just gotta be careful with it. Okay, it's not a heavy duty one. I'm not gonna promise you anything. It's not a heavy duty one. You just gotta be careful with your purchase, and yeah, this will help you maintain certain protection. Other than that, ladies and gents, boys and girls, thanks for watching. We shall surely see you on the next one. Keep it lit and keep it safe out there. Peace out. Let's do it. Bang. Chica.
space, 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 space melody on the beat.